everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing a get ready with me. I don't know what that was. I'm so sorry. I'm not going anywhere today. I just wanted to do a get ready with me because I got some new things that I really want to play with. This being one of them, and then I got some new stuff from McGrath, so I'm very excited. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird awesome makeup family. And with that being said, let's go ahead and jump on in. First things first, I've really been enjoying this like lip stuff from Dior. I got it the other day. It's the Dior lip glow oil right here. I have really been enjoying this. I've only used it a few times, but I like it. And I'm just gonna putting this on to just spat. Give my lips a little bit of moisture, and then this is in shade pink, I think. Yeah, pink. I did get some new things, and I am so excited about them. Like, you have no idea. Like that new Colourpop Sailor Moon palette. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to play around with that and see what it's like. I'm sure it's going to be amazing. So, how is everyone doing? I hope you're having a really good day. I'm very sad actually today because Raph leaves for Italy in like a week, and I'm actually kind of scared because the coronavirus is going around right now, and Italy is the worst hit country in Europe. So that's freaking terrifying for me, and I'm sure for him as well. And I'm just praying and hoping with literally all of my might that everything is okay and that they're able to get everything under control, because that really does freak me out. Here is the new Colourpop Sailor Moon palette. It is so gorgeous. Look at the front. Oh my god. And then the actual packaging is so fun. Can you see that? It's like, I forget what these things are called. Oh, she's so cute. And then here is what it looks like inside right here, and it is so pretty. I have already done a couple of swatches on this palette. I haven't used any shades on my eyes, but like I just want to show you some swatches. Oh my gosh. So this one is called Tuxedo Rose. This one is called Silver Crystal, and then this one is called Luna. So cute, and it's like pastel, and I'm obsessed. So we're gonna use this today. I need to get my color switch because I forgot it. I swear I'm like obsessed with this thing. So I don't know what kind of look I want to do, if I'm honest. I'm thinking something like really light. So I'm gonna go into Moon Castle right here first. And then I'm gonna go pop this literally all over the lid, all over the crease, just everywhere. I do like the fact that this is a pastel palette. It looks so cute, and it's very Sailor Moon. Now this shade is super duper light, like you can barely even see it. Oh, there you go, that's a little bit better. It's one of those that you really have to like build up, and I know this palette is meant to be very pastel, and that is totally fine. Like I went into this knowing that. So Raph does leave next week, and I'm gutted. I'm so sad. He's been here for about 3 months, and I'm just so sad. I don't want him to go. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty scared when it comes to that like coronavirus and everything. What do you guys think about that? Like, I know this is not a super fun topic to talk about, so I'm not gonna stay on it for very long. But like, what do you guys think about that? I'm like, it's pretty terrifying, not gonna lie. I really hope that they're able to get it under control, and just if you are in an area that is affected or that has been in quarantine, my love and support goes out to you, because I know that has to be such a hard situation, and I just hope and pray that it gets rectified and gets fixed as quickly as possible. I'm gonna go into, this is not something that I thought I was gonna do. I'm gonna go into Miracle Romance right here, and we're gonna do a cutesy little halo eye moment. I was not expecting to do this, but that's what we're gonna do. Darken this up just a hair, and then we'll go in the inner corners as well. Oh, so cute! Kiva, what are you doing? She is biting on the chair that I'm sitting on. Come here, baby. Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi? Oh, yes. Look at, oh my goodness, you're so wiggly. Oh, you're so wiggly. Oh my goodness. You need a bath so bad. I love you so much. I swear I've not known love until I got this dog. Like, true love. Like, you know, I love my boyfriend, I love my parents, but like, I'm kidding, but she is literally the best puppy ever. I'm gonna go into Luna right here. It is a really gorgeous iridescent pearl. Wait, do I wanna do Luna or do I wanna do Silver Crystal? I think I wanna do Luna. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I said it like that. Oh, it's so pretty. I love that. This is like a really perfect spring palette as well. Oh my gosh, look how cute. I also do want to go into, ooh, Silver Millennium. This is a kind of like a Super Shock shade. I forgot about this one. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh. I love this. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do for the eyes. Super, super simple, pretty easy. Is it wearable? That's entirely up for you to decide, but it is so pretty and I'm in love with it. Okay, so onto the face. I did get a few things that I want to test out. I'm very happy about them. And I'm super excited because these are some things that I've like never even tried before. So what are you guys gonna do for like spring? Do you have any like plans like already? Also, by the way, anything that I don't mention that I'm using will be in the description, of course. And then yeah, just like, do you guys have anything that you do for spring usually? Like, I know Easter is like 2 months away and that is insane. I can't believe that in 2 months it will be like a year of me and Raph knowing each other. Like, that is crazy because we met on Easter last year. Like, oh my goodness. This is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer. I've been using this non-stop recently and I have been loving it. This is in the shade Light 6W and I have been so enjoying it. It's been so nice. And I never knew that I would be someone that's into tinted moisturizer. I always thought that I had to have like a full coverage foundation, but like, no way, Jose. This is amazing. Now, it's not like crazy sheer. Like, I've heard the Glossier one is like water. This is not like that. I haven't used the Glossier one, mind you, but this is not like that. It has a little bit more coverage, but it's, you know, it's definitely pretty sheer. You can see right here on my face, it is quite light. Or not light, but like sheer. But when it sets, it becomes like a teeny tiny bit more full, if that makes sense. I got another hair thing from insert name here. It's like a hair brand, and I have their fake ponytail, and I wore it so much and I love it. But I actually ordered one of their buns. So basically, like, you put your hair into a bun and then you put this other bun on top of it, and like, it's gonna be so cute. I hope it gets here today. I don't know if it's going to or not. Let me see. No, sadly not. Oh man, I want to wear it. It's like a bun and it's gonna be so cute, and I can't wait because I love wearing my hair in buns, but I genuinely don't know what it is. I cannot do a bun, like a nice one, to save my life. I don't know if my hair is just not thick enough or what. I don't know, but I cannot do a bun, like a nice bun, like a big one. And it makes me really sad because I want to do it. Anyways, next up, I want to try this concealer from Pat McGrath. I have never used any of her face products, so I'm really excited to see what I think about this. I only got one shade, so I hope this is not too dark for me. Ooh, it's very heavy. This is the packaging right here. It's the Pat McGrath Lab Fetish Skin Sublime Perfection Concealer, and I got my shade in L4, so like light 4, I'm assuming, and this is quite heavy. It is definitely quite luxe. We'll try. I don't know how it's gonna work because it looks a bit yellow. Oh, that's actually very yellow. Man, this is not gonna work, but I'll try to like sheer it out. Once it's blended in, it's actually not that. No! Oh, I forgot. Okay, I have this side. I also got her brush that I wanted to try. This is the Fetish Skin Sublime Perfection Concealer Brush. I've never tried one of her brushes before, so I wanted to give it a shot. This thing is tiny. Oh my goodness. And I'm really scared this is gonna get way too dark under the side because I'm just letting it sit there. Okay, I can't get this bit off. I have to blend this out. I don't like that. So first impressions on this brush, it's not my favorite. I don't like it. I can't get this plastic bit off. This is not my favorite. I don't like this very much, but maybe I'll try it again and see. Maybe I just didn't do something right, but the concealer so far is pretty nice. I definitely got a shade too yellow for me. It was probably too dark, so that's my bad. I'll just have to get a different shade. But other than that, the concealer is not bad. Next, I do have this. So this is the Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder. This is the thing that I was actually most excited for. So this is like a powder. I got mine in the shade like light. It was like a translucent kind of powder. I hope this doesn't make my under eyes like super white. And I'm assuming this is also like setting your under eye concealer as well. I like that actually. I'll have to keep trying it and see, but I do like that. I look like a ghost. I swear, my my foundation does not look this pale in person. I think it's the lighting. I look like a ghost. Anyways, I do think I like this. I'll have to try it out a little bit more. The concealer I'm not too sure on yet because I got the wrong shade. I know this is like a get ready with me, but it's also kind of like a first impressions. I didn't really have like a full face to do a first impressions on, but I have like a few things to do impressions on, so it's kind of like a get ready with me first impressions situation. There we go. No, I don't look so ghostly. And I'm really sorry. I feel like I don't really have much to say today, and I love filming these videos. I have a lot on my mind, you know, when it comes to like Raph going back home and then this whole virus breakout situation. Like, I feel like this video is going to be so boring because I don't really have much to talk about. I mean, like I do, but not really, because I'm like worried, and I don't just want to talk about how worried I am because that's not gonna make for fun content. Like, I don't know. On a different note, I have recently become infatuated with the world of slime. Yes, let me tell you right now, I have ordered like 10 slimes within the span of a week. Those pages on Instagram, they really get you. Like, they look so unbelievably satisfying to play with, and then just so fun. And then I bought like 3, and now I have them, and I've been playing with them for like 4 days, and then I saw that there were other pages that I didn't even know about, and then I started watching YouTube videos, and now I have like 17 in the mail. Maybe not that many, but you know, I have more in the mail that have yet to get to me now. So yeah, I've really been like super into slime, and they have like all these different textures, and it's excuse me. No, but they have like all these different textures and all these different like feels, and I'm so excited. Also, I found another Instagram shop, or like it's another just a shop in general, and it's called Little Shop of Oils. It's so cute. It's very spiritual, and it's really cool. So I got a couple of things from them. I got like this nighttime pillow spray, and I got this roller ball. It's a Gemini roller ball, and it has crystals inside of it, and the top of it is a crystal as well. Like the roller ball part is a tiger's eye crystal, and I'm so excited. I got a candle that has like, it's very decorated on top, and I love those kinds of candles. They're so fancy, and I think they're so pretty. I am gonna do my eyebrows off camera really quick for you guys, and then I'll come right back and we'll finish up the rest of this look. And I'm back, brows are on, and now we're just gonna go ahead and finish up the eye look. I don't know if I want to do pink on the bottom lash line. Like, I could do this one right here called Tuxedo Rose, I don't know. Or I could stick with the purple. I I could do a little bit of both. Oh, that's actually nice. I'm gonna stick with pink. I thought it would be too vibrant for the lower lash line since everything else is quite pastel. So, but it's fine. I'm gonna use a little bit of silver crystal, highlight the inner corners. Beautiful. This is the look. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some liner. Okay. For liner, I am actually gonna wear liner today. Like, I usually don't wear liner and I don't wear lashes, but we have them both today.
Oh my goodness, who am I?
I don't know. So I got this from Sephora the other day. This is from Kaja Beauty and it's the Wink stamp. So basically it has like a little stamper and then you have the liquid liner, and it's, you know, you've seen those like little gimmicks before to where they're like a stamped, like a wing stamp, and then you kind of draw it and connect it. But like, I used this last night and it was the easiest winged liner I've ever done in my entire life, so I'm gonna try it again today. And then I also have some new lashes that I want to try. These are by Velour, and I've never tried anything from them before, but these are their Effortless lashes range, and they don't have to be trimmed or anything, but these ones seem to kind of just go out on this area right here, which that's my favorite kind of lash. So I picked these up as more of kind of like a minimal everyday lash, just because I don't particularly care for ones that are like va voom huge lashes. So I'm gonna do this really quick and then I'll come right back. And I'm back. So you guys saw in the part where I was doing my wing liner, this thing is amazing. Like, I know a lot of people, like genuinely, a lot of people can probably do their liners so much better than I can because they probably do it every day. I don't do my liner every day, but like, this is so easy. Like, I thought this was going to be just like another one of those gimmicks that it's a little stamp and then you can, no, this is actually so good. And my liner is not that even, but it's never been this even. Like, if I were to do it myself. So I love this and I'm gonna keep using it. That's pretty much it. We're nearing the end of this here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a lip. I'm gonna use this one right here, and this one's in the shade Buttercup. I swear I love this one so much. There we go. I know that it is purple and pink together. It's quite, you know, boom, you know, it's a lot going on, but I actually do like this quite a lot. But yeah, you guys, this is the look. I'm super in love with it. I do love these lashes. I feel like these definitely I feel like these ones are definitely going to be ones that I can wear on the daily without thinking that they're too much or anything like that. So I am definitely super into these. I've never tried these before. I don't know why I haven't tried them, but I really like them so far. But I pretty much love everything that I used. The only thing that I didn't like was the brush, the Pat McGrath brush, and then the concealer. I'll have to try again. I may just got a shade that's far too dark for me and I just have to get a different shade. But yeah, other than that, I like pretty much everything, and I think this eye look is so cute and I love it to actual bits. It's very springtime, I love it. But yeah, you guys, if you liked the video, then please go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!